Just slipped. It just slipped?
Once again.
What's it? Damn! And most likely when you get back here next weekend, it'll probably still look like that.
Just a little drier.
Just a dryer. Why, Chris? You too busy? Life, huh? Oh shit. Damn.
Real hard someday.
How was it out there?
It's pretty nice.
You was rolling.
Breaking in now.
Dang, it's breaking in?
Yeah.
I'm still scared.
It feels good.
I'm scared.
It's good out there. You should try it.
I'm scary. I just roll them. I just roll them all. I got PTSD, Manny.
Huh? Why? What happened?
from all the breaks and bruises.
Dude, just come back slow, man. Just come back slow. That's all you need. There's no rush.
Slowly but surely, huh, Manny?
Slowly but surely and safely.
That's it.
Yes. There's no rush.
No.
Broken bones, you can't ride.
Oh, man. Woo! That stuff hurts so bad.
Recovery's not fun.
What happened? What are you doing?
You know what? I forgot my damn riding gear.
Oh, Manny!
I'll be back, dude. I'll be back. Give me 10.
All right.
I'll be back.
Dang. It happens.
Yeah.
I thought you were just gonna ride around with your tarantarans and your knee braces. I was like, oh shit, okay. It's March, why not? Well, you had your knee pads though.
Turns are hard.
It's hard, huh?
Turns are hard on the Yami.
Fucking penny. Ain't that hard.
Turns are hard.
It's all, damn, Chris, it's a mess. It's a mess. I was getting ready to go out there and get some good footage. Let me know when you guys are ready.
Yeah. I need to take a drink of my Red Bull.
All right.
No, I'm gonna take like a 10-minute.
Austin said he needs some wings.
I need some wings.
He needs some wings.
I'm still out there riding. We took like a 5-minute break, sat here, talked about how you were kicking our ass, and then we went back out there.
No, we literally sat here and we were like, Cam's too fucking fast. Like,
literally, I don't know. Were you trying that first part?
Where?
Like the first beginning of the
I don't want to know if he's trying anymore.
You was out there jumping jumps, huh?
Yeah.
I need to get some good footage, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will. Action shots, huh?
I'm gonna tip it.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, you're tipping the tail, I'm not gonna lean on this leg.
You changed that sprocket, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, it looks good too. Brand new sprocket, brand new chain. Man.
Yeah.
It's a nice motorcycle, huh, Kaylee? Go for it. Oh, go for it.
Go?
Yeah.
Like riding?
No, like whatever you want, just not on the big track.
I was gonna go around.
Okay, go for it. How was it?
Oh, man, that's good. Really nice.
You talked me into it that day.
I know.
Yeah. You said, is he doing good in school?
That was a good buy.
You know, I think you're giving me a hint. I went out that day.
That's quite a reward right there. That's beautiful.
It was that day.
I know, I remember. You went right to it. That thing's beautiful.
Yeah.
He deserves it. He's a good young man.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. You're welcome anytime. Huh? No, I'm an action film photographer.
We just need to make something that can screw into right here, dude.
Is this Moto Talk one-on-one?
Yeah, we're talking about a guard that could go right here to get rid of this shit.
So you can see the pipe more?
No, because you clip your ankles.
I keep grabbing my ankle on here.
So
So if we can make if we can make a guard that was connected from here to here to here and just took out that space,
Chris don't hold on tight enough with his legs to know the difference yet. No, you're good there though.
I don't know, he might be, because look at...
No. Is that the truth?
No,
Alright.
it might be, because look at his too. He's ripping his off as well.
Damn, Chris, you holding on tight, huh?
Leg strength too tight.
Yeah.
King Fried loose. Come on.
Yeah, get your shit on, let's go. I'm going out there to get good shots.